The CatchmentCARE project aims to restore fresh water quality in 3 cross-border river catchments between the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland with the help of local communities. As farms are essential parts of the countryside, educating farmers about nutrient management will optimise production, whilst minimising nutrient loss into waterways, creating cleaner environments for everyone. So, how can we manage soil nutrients on farms? Slurry and fertilisers are used to boost the productivity of farms by adding important nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium to the soil. Well-managed soils support grass growth and keep livestock healthy. However, vital nutrients can be lost from fields in several ways. Excessive slurry and fertiliser application leads to nutrient runoff, especially of phosphorus, from fields into rivers. Freely roaming cattle can access rivers, grazing on the riverbanks and causing soil erosion, also known as soil poaching. Rainfall and storms can also wash nutrients directly into waterways, particularly if soils are already waterlogged. Finally, nutrients can be lost to the air as ammonia or greenhouse gases such as nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide or methane. When surplus nutrients are lost from fields, rivers may become polluted. Eutrophication can occur, leading to excessive plant and algal growth. This is damaging to aquatic biodiversity and drinking water quality, as well as to recreational and fishing industries. However, with careful nutrient management, cleaner environments can be created. Soil sampling is the first step. The CatchmentCARE project recommends that farmers test their soil every 4 to 5 years, collecting soil samples at least 6 weeks after the last application of slurry or fertiliser. Soil samples should be gathered at regular intervals, following a W pattern across fields. These samples can then be analysed to help farmers understand how nutrient levels vary across their land. By finding the nutrient content of each field, nutrient management plans can be created, allowing for targeted nutrient application. Farmers will be able to apply the correct amount of slurry or fertiliser to specific fields or parts of their fields, saving time and money. Indications of pH from soil samples also help farmers to decide on the correct amount of lime to apply to their fields to maintain healthy soil ecosystems without wasting resources. Once farmers know the quantities and locations of nutrients for application, how can the method of adding nutrients to fields be improved? For slurry, a low trajectory trailing shoe should be used for application during March and April to boost spring growth. Do not apply slurry to saturated soils close to water sources or if heavy rain is forecast, as nutrient runoff will occur. This problem can be magnified if heavy machinery is operated on saturated soils, so such activity should be avoided, particularly during the worst weather of a farm's closed period between October and January. Fencing and buffer strips are also an effective way to keep nutrients in fields after optimum application. Through installing fences along riverbanks, farmers can help to reduce bank and soil erosion by preventing cattle from accessing the river. Similarly, planting trees and hedges near to waterways and at field borders stabilises soil. This helps reduce erosion and nutrient loss, whilst also acting as an important carbon store. By following CatchmentCARE's nutrient management guidelines, farmers can use their resources more efficiently, increasing the health of their land and livestock, whilst creating cleaner environments for local communities to enjoy.